Hey everybody, today I got some big news to report. So 5 years ago about, it was 2016, bought this place. It's around the corner from my parents' house over there. Moved in the fall of that year. And now I'm getting ready to upgrade this place. The single wide mobile home there, it's leaving. It's gonna get moved very soon. Probably within the next month. This is actually happening a little sooner than I originally planned it would happen, but of course plans always change. Come across a gorgeous double wide about half an hour from here, and it's a fantastic home. Really nice inside. So no guys, I'm not moving. The home is actually moving here. So again, the single wide will be going out. The double wide will be going in. The double wide will be sitting about the same spot as the single wide, and it'll come out to here roughly. Very excited, but nervous at the same time. It's a big step, I must say. This single wide that's been sitting here for probably about 35 years. We'll get to see it move. Yes, it's going to be moved out of here. The mobile home mover that is going to be moving a double wide here, they're going to be taking a single wide. It's going to be a really nice upgrade for this place, but it's going to definitely be a lot of work involved. I've already been busy with a lot of different things, getting ready to start the whole process. So I guess first question you may ask is, okay, will the thunderstorm videos continue? Yes, I will try my best to continue the storm videos. Either they will continue over here, or I may end up setting up cameras in my parents' yard. So, I am going to try to keep this covered front porch. I don't know if it's going to be feasible yet or not. It depends on whether it can be moved, or if it's going to, or if it falls apart when it moves. And unfortunately, it's going to be a big fat no. The place I'm getting, it has decks that come with it. One of them is really big, and it's going to be fully disassembled to get it moved here. The other decks, all the decks are not covered like this one. They don't have a roof over them. But we're going to try. Mark my word, we're going to try to save this front deck. It's going to be located on the side of the house, facing like that way. So if we're able to do that, I'll get to continue my porch videos as I always have. But if we can't save the front porch, I may not be able to do the porch videos anymore. Some of y'all may be sad by that, but I mean, it is what it is. Just like my shirt says. It is what it is. Anyways, and of course over here is where weather case cam 1 is. I still have it out here from last night. We had some pretty nice storms last night. It'll remain in its spot, and I'll be able to continue shooting videos with it out toward that direction. The weather station sensor array that's mounted up on the back deck, we'll have to move that over to this fence corner. Probably not the most ideal spot, but we're going to have to move it, so because the back deck's got to come out. The whole back deck's getting demolished. And if things go to plan, we'll eventually have a much bigger and nicer deck to mount the sensor array to. So over there is weather case 2. I just replaced the camera about a week ago, roughly. Finally finished the replacement of weather case 2. Just like the porch cam and weather case 1. may be able to continue footage from it unless I have stuff in the way. Or it may have to come up, who knows. It may have to come up because the mobile home has to come back. And I really would hate to see my mimosa tree go. But yeah, big step, guys, big step. It's really something. The double wide, it's a really nice one. And it's funny, the double wide was made by the same manufacturer and plant as this old single wide. This single wide is a 1982 model. The double wide I'm getting is a 1988 model. It's been really well taken care of. It's actually a lakefront house right now. It was somebody's lake cottage, I believe. Probably their vacation house, I don't know. But really nice inside. This has some upgrades, pretty recent upgrades inside. Definitely looking forward to it. So yeah, these next couple months, 3 months, 4 months, gonna be busy. Gonna be definitely busy. So to all my viewers out there, definitely keep me in your thoughts and prayers because this is gonna be a big step for me. Yeah, guys, the old single wide, it's coming out of here. Keep my fingers crossed it will get used as a home again and not get demolished. Because it is actually pretty decent for its age. Get y'all one last look here before the sun sets. So anyways, guys, wanted to make the big announcement. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.